What is going on, everybody? Welcome to Right Click Run. Okay. If this is your first time here, please subscribe, like the video, and I just wanted to show you guys something that I made. It's been a couple of weeks since I made a video, so I was just going to show you this really quick. So, over the past day or so, I've been working on a pretty neat Python script. It utilizes ChatGPT, the API for ChatGPT, and I guess I'll just show you really quick what it is. So I'm just going to launch it here, and it's a to-do list generator, pretty much. So, but it's pretty cool because you don't have to like put what you want to do in it. You just sort of tell ChatGPT what you want your list to be for. So, um, you know, let's say like make $1,000,000, and then you just hit generate tasks, and it comes up with a whole list for you. And say, you're like, okay, great, identify a profitable opportunity. Well, how do I do that? Well, you click this elaborate button, and it'll break it down more for you. And you can just keep on doing that, like research market trends. Like, okay, well, how do I research market trends? Just keep, drilling down into it if you want. And it's pretty cool. It, um, yeah, it's pretty basic. You really just need an OpenAI API key. You need to put that into your environment as an environment variable, and this thing will run on your machine. I put it up on GitHub. I'm not sure if you all remember what my GitHub is, but I am HiLoJack777, and this is the, let's see, what was this called? This is the AI to-do list. So, if you think that is something pretty cool, and you want to play with it, you definitely can. If you know, if you get pretty far along, you want to keep the list. You can go up here and click save. It's saved as make $1,000,000, and you can load your other ones. So I have like bake a cake, start a company. So this is what my bake a cake one looks like. And so that's that. I hope you guys think that that's pretty cool. Again, please please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And if you have any ideas, maybe I'll build it in my next one. Take care. Peace.